Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I I would let's talk about Zip S80.
Sure.
What brand is?
It's Samsung. What about the capacity?
It have 500 gigabyte. Do you know the data transfer right?
Yes, it's 550 and 40 megabyte per second. Is this internal or external?
It's external.
How heavy is this?
Um, it weight uh, 0.1 pound. What color is?
It's blue.
It have any service feature?
Yes, it's portable, fast and secure.
This service uh, how much is
It's $97.99.
uh, such a good fix? Thank
You're welcome.